Alright, you guys, I have a quick story time for y'all. Like, I had to tell you guys this. So, I was doing a whole nail video for y'all. I was polishing, doing a watch me polish video, right? I was using this new Essie that you guys see me pick up at Five Below, Bustling Bazaar. It's the first time I used it, and I wanted to show you guys how that was turning out. And yeah, so it's a really pretty bright color. Okay, but yeah, my nails look a little messed up. Let me tell you why. Okay, so I was done polishing all my nails. I wanted to take this color and I wanted to do like a gold Dotacure for an accent nail on one of the nails. So I went to go find my dotting tool, and when I got the dotting tool, it had some old polish left on the ends, and I wanted to clean it off. So I've been using this Sassy Plus Chic nail polish remover. It's acetone. It has a locking lid, and ever since I've gotten it, it's had a little defect when I push down. It's like kind of hard, so I usually cover it with the lid. Let me open it. So I'll usually cover it with the lid while I'm pushing down. I don't know if I could do it with one hand, but it's gonna come out. And I'll go like this. Let's see. It's almost empty. Yeah, it's not very much in here. But anyway, so I'll close the lid like this and push down so some of the liquid will come up, and then I'll open it. So when I got up to get the tool, I stood up and I came over here and I pushed my dotting tool down to push the lid a little bit. I was trying to do it soft, but you know, sometimes you just accidentally do things, and I did it too hard and I was standing up. Tell me why when I pushed down, all of the acetone came flying up. Okay, I immediately dropped, this was lost somewhere. Immediately dropped that. Came flying up. It was all in my face. It went in my eye. It mostly got in my right eye. It was burning and red, and it was just horrible. So after that happened, y'all, I just stopped filming. I didn't finish the video. I didn't do an ending. I did try to do the Dotacure after I got everything like cleaned up and rinsed my eye out and stuff, but my eye was still burning, so I ended up just doing this one finger. I didn't even do this hand and quit. And then the acetone, as you see, got all over. See how it's kind of messed up? Yeah, it got all over my fingers, which kind of messed them up. So I was like, okay, well, I don't even want to show what they look like, because it just looks so, look at that one. It looks so bad because acetone was just all over my hand and my fingers. And then for me grabbing the towel and running water, my nails weren't completely dry. They were still a bit tacky, and I was just like touching stuff, trying to, you know, get my eye cleaned out and cleaned up. So yeah, that was so horrible, you guys. It hurt so bad. So I don't have a video anymore of me polishing my nails with this, but I absolutely do love the color. It's so pretty. I'll just use it again, you know, when I do my nails again or something like that. But yeah, so yeah, I just want to do a quick story time. Acetone got in my eyeball, y'all. Acetone, like 1 in a million, right? How can that even happen? Like, it sucks so bad. But my eye feels fine. It feels better today. When I woke up, it was still a little like dry feeling. I had a lot of sleep in it stuff, but other than that, it's feeling a lot better. So yeah.